This is Reunion Resort's Center Court Ridge, a subsection of Reunion filled with condominiums and some of the most desired amenities inside of Reunion Resort. For those of you who are new here, my name is Camden and I work as a realtor in Central Florida. One of my favorite neighborhoods is Reunion Resort. If you've never heard of it, I have a video giving a whole overview that's going to be linked right above and in the description. Now, back to Center Court Ridge. Inside of Center Court, you have 5 tennis courts, 6 pickleball courts, golf cart rentals, a swimming pool, and an 18-hole miniature golf course. There are 2 different kinds of condominiums inside of Center Court Ridge, interior units and exterior units. Today, we will be touring an interior unit and I'm going to be explaining the 3 main differences to you guys. Now, before we jump into the tour, I want to explain to you guys that each of these buildings holds 14 condominiums each. So how that gets added up is the 3 first floors have 4 units, which is 2 exterior and 2 interior. And then the 4th floor has 2 interior because where the 2 exterior units would be are the air conditioning units. The first noticeable difference is actually before you even enter the unit. The exterior units have an extra storage space outside. The interior and the exterior both are 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, but the exterior is almost 100 square feet bigger. Now, another difference between the interior and the exterior units is that the exterior units have more windows inside, which brings more lighting in. Now, I know each of these has seemed like the exterior units are so much better than the interior units, but one really big positive that the interior units has is their balconies are about twice the size of the exterior unit balconies. Now, this particular unit has a gorgeous golf course view, and you can find out more in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like I said, my name is Camden and I use my page as a way of teaching you about Florida real estate as well as fun things to do. So we go and travel to a bunch of different hidden gems and neighborhoods so I can give you more informative videos. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate down here in Florida, make sure you send me an email introducing yourself so I can help you out. Bye-bye. God bless you.